Yo, morning, guys and girls. I feel like shit today, yo. I don't know, like it's cock hot now, and like this past 2 days, like I don't know if it's like the heat. I don't know what it feels like to have like a sunstroke, but I just feel so dehydrated, so ugh, yeah. I don't know. And staying inside didn't help either. Like a aircon didn't either. Like it's so hot. If summer's gonna be like this, then I don't know. But nonetheless, I hope everyone is well. Hope everyone had a good weekend. I I need to go to the plane today. I need to get some stuff. Yo, I feel like shit, honestly. And like sleep, I sleep so restlessly. And I'm like so tired, but like so restlessly. I don't know if anyone else is going through this or feeling this. Is it the sunstroke? I don't know, but I just feel so cock tired. I wonder if that is baboons. But anyways, let me go quickly. Anyway, love, light, and happiness. Be safe out there from your boy Ali Jada. I know I look like shit, yo. Did I get a sunstroke? I don't know, man. I just feel so. Ugh. But anyways, I'm your boy Ali Jada.